How to refund your money on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can refund your money on Etsy. So if this is your question, ensure you watch till the end. The first step is to sign in into Etsy.com, and then once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, you'll see the recently favorited items, and then by the time you scroll down, you'll see different categories, or you can just click on the categories tab here to select any goods from the different categories being displayed. Then once you can see this, the next step is for you to go to the accounts icon, which is located by the top right side of the screen next to the shop manager. So once you see, just click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you'll see options like purchases and reviews, messages, special offers, Etsy registry, account settings. So just go ahead and click on account settings, and then once you've clicked on that, you'll be brought to the account settings page. On this page, you will see options like account security, privacy, etc. Then you go back to your accounts page, click on it, and then click on purchases and reviews. That is where we are heading to exactly in this video. And then once you click on that, you'll be brought to the purchases and reviews page. On this page, the next step is to find the order you want to request a refund for. Now, for you, you will see all of your orders here. I have not made any purchases on my Etsy account. That is why this place is empty. But for you, just find the order you want to request a refund for. And then after selecting the order, click on the More Option button. And in the box displayed, select Help with Order. Then after that, choose Message Seller and the page displayed, and then once you click on message seller, and that box will be displayed by the right side of the screen, where you can now directly ask the seller for a refund. Then you can now tell the seller when you need a refund and then submit it, and then once it is reviewed, you will definitely get your refund back. So this is how to refund your money on Etsy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.